Linear Diffs brings your code review workflow into Linear. You can review diffs on any issue, iterate on changes with agents, and ship code without having to switch tools. Let's see it in action from the perspective of both the reviewer and the author. I recently assigned a teammate to resolve an issue and just received a notification that their PR is now ready for my review. The Activity tab will show me a summary of the PR and its recent changes, but I'll take a closer look using guided reviews and diffs. I'll start by opening the guided review, where all of the code changes have been neatly organized and explained. Guided reviews are laid out in a story format to orient me to changes, which is particularly helpful in a substantial PR like this. They start by showing the core change first and then walk me through the impacts of that change. Minor changes like imports and formatting will be collapsed. Next, I'll open up the diff for a more standard view of the changes. I can refine display options to make this view work for me. So right now, I'm looking at a unified diff view with structural highlighting enabled so that I can really focus on where meaningful changes occurred. As I review this code, I'll track feedback as inline comments or on the file level. Anytime I need more context on the what and the why of this PR, I can quickly refer back to its linked issue and project, and I can also read any customer requests that have informed it. Once I'm ready, I'll let the engineer know I've reviewed this and that they can jump back in to address my feedback. Now that the review is done, let's take a look at this from the author's perspective. First, I'll read through these comments and I'll work with the coding agent to resolve some of these small pieces of feedback directly without having to context switch to check the work locally. As soon as our agent makes that change, our diff will reflect the update. Once I've addressed all of the comments, I'll go ahead and merge. Now it's on to the next PR. I'll check my inbox for any new notifications, or I can open the reviews tab to see all of the review work related to me in one place.